Hello everyone. Today we are here to learn solving the quadratic equations using squaring method. So we are starting with our first example. See, 3x का square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have to reduce coefficient of x square again. So in order to reducing it, we have to divide the whole equation by 3 again. अब देखो 3 और 3 कैंसिल हो गया, एक्स स्क्र माइनस 5/3x प्लस 2/3 इक्वल टू 0 बचा. अब हमें क्या करना है कि इस प्लस 2/3 को इधर शिफ्ट कर दो 0 के साथ. एक्स स्क्र माइनस 5/3x इसको शिफ्ट करेंगे तो -2/3 आ जाएगा. अब आपने क्या करना है कि फिर से हाफ इसका कॉफिशेंट वी हैव टू ऐड द स्क्वायर ऑफ हाफ ऑफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x. तो कोफिशिएंट है x का 5/3, इसका हाफ करने के लिए 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 5/6 आ गया. अब इसका स्क्वायर हमने दोनों साइड में ऐड करना है. तो x का स्क्वायर माइनस 5/3x प्लस 5/6 का स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू -2/3 और प्लस करना है 5/6 का होल स्क्वायर. नाउ वी कैन सी अगेन दैट x स्क्वायर in x square and in 5.6 square we can see that here we can see that the square is common in both the terms, so we can write it in this order: x plus 5/6 the whole square and equals to here -2/3 plus 5 5 is 25 and 6 6 are 36. Now you can see x plus 5/6 whole square equals to, we have to take LCM here. The LCM will become 36. Now divide 36 by 3. We will get 12. 12 into 2 is -24 plus 36 into 36 is 1. 1 into 25 is 25. I think we have done some mistake. Wait, divide the whole equation with 3. No, it's okay. So x plus 5/6 whole square equals to, we have to minus it. Minus plus is minus 1/36. Now take root, under root x plus 5/6 is a whole square. Square and root will become cancel and it will become root 1/36. So x plus 5/6 is equals to 1 root 1 का रूट 1 होता है, 36 का रूट 6. तो x plus 5/6 is equals to 1/6. x equals to 1/6 minus 5/6. So x equals to 6 and 6 LCM will become 6. 6 into 6 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1 minus 6 and 1 1 into minus 5. X is equals to -4/6 and x is equals to -2/3. Is it clear? Now we are taking another example. 9x square minus 15x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now once again we have to reduce the coefficient of x square into 1. So in order to reducing it, we have to divide the whole equation by 9. So divide whole equation by 9. 9x square upon 9 minus 15x upon 9 plus 6 by 9 is equals to 0. Here x square minus 15, 9 ones 3, and this will become 5. 5 by 3x plus this will become 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is equals to 0. Now shift 2 by 3 into this side. X square minus 5 by 3x is equals to minus 2 by 3. Now we have to add the square of half of coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 5/3. So in order to find the half of 5 by 3, we have to multiply it by 1/2. It will become 5 by 6. Now we have to add the square. Half of coefficient of x square, it will become 5 by 6 का square. तो x square minus 5 by 3x plus 5 by 6 का square is equals to minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6 का square. x square और 5 by 6 कॉमन है, तो फिर से 5 by 6 का होल स्क्वायर लिखो. उसको ये लिखने की जरूरत है. 5 by 6 का स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू, इसका एलसीएम निकालेंगे तो 6 एलसीएम आ जाएगा आपका. अब 6 डिवाइड बाय 3 इज 2. 2 इंटू 2 इज माइनस का 4 प्लस 6 इंटू 6 इज 1. 1 इंटू here we have done one mistake. First of all we have to solve the square. So minus 2 by 3 plus 5 5 is 25 and 6 6 are 36. See, x plus 5 by 6 का square is equals to, LCM will become now 36. 36 is divided by 9. When 36 is divided by 3, we will get 12. 12 into 2 is minus 24, and plus 36 into 36 is 1. 1 into 25. I think we will get the same result again. X plus 5 by 6 is 6 का square equals to minus 24 plus 25 is 36. Sorry, x plus 5 by 6 equals to 1 by 36. Now take under root to both sides. X plus 5 by 6 का square is equals to under root 1 by 36. Here x plus 5 by 6 under root और square cancel हो जाएगा. x plus 5 by 6 is equals to, इसका रूट 1 into 1 is 1. 6 into 6 is 36. तो x plus 5 by 6 is equals to 1 by 6. Here x equals to 1 by 6 minus 5 by 6. X is equal to 6. 6 1 and 1 1 5. X equals to minus 4 by 6, and x will become minus 2 by 3. Here we have done the 3 examples of quadratic equation which has been solved using using squaring method. Hope that you have understood it and learned it. तो thanks for watching. इसको शेयर कर दीजिए प्लीज़. थैंक यू.